In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Apps. Now select App Cloner and either click on one of those apps or select other apps and pick one of those. Wherever you decided, after clicking on an app you wish to clone, hit gray switcher next to Create App Clone. Now adjust those two options. Hit Rename App Clone and type in wherever you want to. Then select Save and choose Default App to open to apply one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. Then go back. So when I check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can either hold it and tap on Uninstall in the pop-up, or go back to the same settings and use blue switcher. Either way, confirm your choice in the second pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!